I just finished the Master Day Trading course, and I must say that it was as good as I hoped it would be. There was a very good mix between theory and practice. Beside the PowerPoint, there was also uh, practicing sessions in Forex Tester and MetaTrader, which for me is very good to build your skills, and especially the parts where he was looking at with us while we were practicing in Forex Tester were really helpful. Besides the technical part, he also focuses a lot on the mental part of trading, not wanting to make up for your losses, always stick by your own rules, and to more or less try to work like a robot and putting the emotions of trading as much as possible aside. I started as an absolute nitwit, knowing nothing about trading at all, and I really feel confident that I'm able to build my skills in Forex Tester now without Sebastian helping me every step. So a very big compliment to Sebastian, and thanks again.